We're African people racially. Ethnically, we are a different group. Ethnically, we're foundational Black Americans. I acknowledge my African racial inherent DNA and the connection I have with other African descended people globally. We have a connection as far as intrinsic race and biology. So I acknowledge that. No problem with that. When I travel to Africa or any other place where there are Black people, I see a commonality with that. There's a girl in the comment section named Indian Red who said, Tariq, no, we don't. All right, let me get on y'all niggas for a minute. Let me talk to y'all for 1 minute. All y'all Negroes who are now trying to claim these Indian tribes. Okay, that's not gonna work. Okay, let me stop y'all Negroes with that claiming Creek and all of that shit. All right, y'all can stop that. Okay, because now there's Negroes now. We is the Creek Indians. Oh, okay, hold on, because we see that, and then sometimes people try to make it seem like I'm on that. No, y'all better stop with that trying to claim them red tribes. No, those red tribes have been remixed. That's not going to work. Now, where y'all at? Come on, y'all Negroes, Indian Red. No, Indian Red and other Negroes like that. All right, let me talk to y'all who are trying to claim, the dumbass, lame Callaway crowd. There's a reason why dumbasses like that are not taken seriously. No, y'all can't claim them red tribes. That doesn't work. That's not going to work for you. Claiming them red Indian tribes, that's not going to work.